Okay, now let's take a look at the sample from essay to term paper. Now I want you to take a look at how I draw the structure for essay and compare it with the term paper. Okay, now excuse me. All right. Now, if you take a look at the introduction just now, you can see that the introduction is the same. So that's normally people write only one paragraph of introduction in the term paper as well. Which part do you think that they expand? Well, it's in the body or the content of the term paper. Right. Notice, I want you to take a look closely at the body or the main idea. Okay. Look at main idea number one, effects of COVID-19 on health. So here, um, do you notice that I have added one more section which I name it as or label it as sub-supporting idea. Right. Body, main idea one, health, main idea one, health. The same. And then we have introduction, which we write in one sentence, introductory sentence. Again, here we have introductory sentence. Um, we start writing in an essay, you write everything here in one paragraph. But in your term paper, you divide this. You have two supporting idea here. One is on respiratory, one is on multi-organ. You divide this into two different paragraphs. So if you have three supporting idea, then you are going to have three paragraphs. All right, so body, main idea number one, you have introductory sentence, you have supporting idea, respiratory. You want to talk about how COVID-19 affect people's respiratory system. So in order for you to elaborate, in order for you to explain how COVID-19 affect respiratory system, you have sub-supporting idea 1, sub-supporting idea 2, sub-supporting idea 3. So all together, this has become one paragraph. So you have, this is the first paragraph, this become the second paragraph. Now the third paragraph again is under the same main idea, that is effects of COVID-19 on health. You, in the third paragraph, we're going to discuss on how COVID-19 affect multi-organ. All right, just now respiratory system only. Now this one is multi-organ. And in order for you to to explain to your reader, you need to have, some supporting idea. It can be two. It is not necessary three, but normally it is more than one. You can write two or three, the same like this. One, two supporting idea. You can have another supporting idea. Okay, the third supporting idea. If you think you are able to explain using only two supporting ideas, that's enough. Okay, but if you think you need more supporting ideas, then you add, um, three supporting ideas. Um, and normally three supporting ideas are sufficient to help you elaborate. Otherwise it's going to be like listing. Remember that you don't want to list, you need to expand. Sub-supporting idea one, expand how, why, what, where, what, whichever is relevant. Okay, and then you write the concluding paragraph or concluding sentence, meaning that you can write this, you can write your conclusion to COVID-19. Remember that this is like a piece of essay already. So you can write about effects of COVID-19 on health. Okay, you can conclude them. You can conclude the first idea in one paragraph, or you can write in one sentence. So if you want to write in one sentence, then you can just write after supporting idea 2. But if you think that there is a need for you to write it out and in one paragraph, then go ahead and write in one paragraph. Okay, now it goes the same goes to main idea number 2, that is on economy. You have supporting idea number 2, how COVID-19 affects import export as well as travel tourism. So this is just an essay, so you write the whole thing in one paragraph. But when you write a term paper, you expand this supporting idea here, from here to here, and write it and add more and add sub-supporting idea to explain how this idea on effects of economy, effects on import export, in one paragraph. So here's another paragraph. Now, how many paragraphs you have already? This is one paragraph. This is one. So 1, 2, 3. Maybe this is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to second main idea, you have 7 paragraph already. So basically we write one paragraph, half page. So 2 paragraph, 2 pages. So 7 paragraph. Now you have already written 3.5 paragraph. Again, look at main idea number 3. You have, let's say, 3 supporting ideas, or let's say, or 2 supporting ideas. Again, you have one more paragraph, that is 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 paragraph makes it's around 5.5 pages. All right, so that is a term paper. In comparison to an essay, they are the same. It's just that you expand. So here you expand, become an essay. Essay structure, you expand, become a term paper. Okay, that's for the text structure.